For shorter trips, visits to places with uneven terrain, or a convenient additional piece of luggage, a rolling duffel bag can be extremely useful. These bags have the same design and everything you love about your favorite duffel bag: a wide open space for storage, soft side zipping, and lightweight construction. The wheels on the bottom give you more freedom to lug that bag wherever you need. Some smaller capacity rolling duffels are great to use as carry-ons. It's easy to pack a bunch of stuff. There are many products available to choose rolling duffels bags, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rolling duffels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Best value. Gonix Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels. There's a fine line between budget and value options, and we feel like this Gonix Rolling Duffel Bag delivered quality at a very competitive price point, stacking up to many of the more expensive bags at a fraction of the cost. It's a long, stiff bag, but we had no issues racing it through our obstacle course and over rougher surfaces. Even after 6 months of frequent use, the wheels moved with Ellen and the handle was easy to hold. We love the design, too. It's like a half suitcase, half duffel with a structured bottom half and a fabric upper flap, plus easy to adjust straps on the sides to secure the contents even more. We were also impressed with the sturdiness of this bag, including the structured bottom half, which makes the bag even more durable. The details checked: 16, 15, 33.4 inches, 10.5 pounds, 100-liter capacity, 1200D PVC waterproof. Number 4. Best budget. Traveler's Club Upright Rolling Duffel Bag. When we packed this duffel with 2 weeks' worth of winter gear, there was plenty of room left over. The main compartment was much more spacious than we originally thought, and we especially loved the variety of exterior pockets which made staying organized a breeze. The handle, while sturdy, is on the thinner side, and the wheels are smaller than some others on this list, which made maneuvering this bag over carpet, cement, and through tight turns marginally more challenging. After traveling with this bag regularly for 6 months, we love how it rolls, though you're going to have to check this luggage. For under $50, you'll have a hard time finding a better rolling duffel, and it comes in a wide range of colors for an option that will stick out at baggage claim. 2. The details checked: 8 pounds, 30, 12, 13 inches, 77-liter capacity. Polyester. Number 3. Best lightweight. Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler. This bag is proof that when it comes to luggage, bigger can, in fact, be better. It packs an astonishing 130 liters of volume, yet manages to clock in at a positively featherweight 4.4 pounds, making it one of our favorite lightweight luggage options. But just because it's big doesn't mean it doesn't pull its own weight. It's constructed from an abrasion-resistant material that's designed to last and repels anything from rain to sleet and snow. Our favorite thing about this bag was that it also converts to a backpack, which can justify the fact that it won't stand upright. We can see this bag being an excellent choice for a safari bush plane with weight limits, or any instance when you wanted to start off with a featherweight bag before loading up your gear into the bag and the included packing cube. The details checked: 3413.75 15 inches, 4.4 pounds, 129-liter capacity. Number 2. Best organization. Ojo Terminal Travel Bag. If you love built-in organization, this bag has multiple compartments ideal for 2 weeks' worth of clothing, shoes, accessories, toiletries, and more that can fit far more than needed. We also appreciated the variety of external handles which make loading this bag into a car or onto a luggage rack a cinch. We found the wheels to roll very smoothly, making it easy to maneuver this checked bag. After 6 months of use, we think it's the perfect size, large but not bulky. It gives off major campfire coucher vibes, so we love the idea of taking this bag on an outdoor adventure or road trip, which could call for a wide range of gear. The details checked: 16, 13, 29 inches, 10.6 pounds, 95-liter capacity, 420 Dobby nylon. Number 1. Best overall. Patagonia Black Hole Wheeled Duffel. Patagonia's Black Hole Duffel, which comes in a 40-liter. The large size, which features a large main compartment that makes it a cinch to pack whatever gear you throw its way, as well as a zippered side pocket and mesh pockets for smaller items you want to keep separate. Packing quickly, we found that we had so much room to spare during tests. If we were to roll the clothes or even use packing cubes, we could fit double or triple The number of items. The bag is also highly weather resistant, crafted from a coated ripstop material, made from 100% recycled fabric, lining, and webbing, exactly what you want to pack for a trip to Antarctica. The durable, oversized wheels performed well during our maneuverability tests. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.